up on my shoulder, a little bird. Suddenly my view went darkened as I dreamt of you. I could not tell if it was real. There was a silver hand, and I could not understand. I was riding on a train, what seemed like Christmas time. All the other passengers had fled from the flood. For 3 whole days we've been trekking around in a puddle of mud. What's that? What's up there? What's that? There was a little bird up on my shoulder, a little bird. There was a little bird up on my shoulder, a little bird. Set loose from the caboose and landed in a puddle of mud. Came up for oxygen, saw the man in the mask again. The look I cannot describe with these 3-dimensional eyes. The man in the mask, he had to leave fast, but he had one question to ask. He said, how'd you get him trained? He said, what do you mean? And I could not understand. What's it? What's it there? There was a little bird up on my shoulder, a little bird. There was a little bird